Learn VStack and HStack in SwiftUI. Hi everyone, welcome back to CodingXpert, where we simplify coding for iOS development. In today's video, we're diving into one of the fundamental building blocks of SwiftUI, VStack and HStack. These layout tools will make designing your app's UI a breeze. So let's get started. In SwiftUI, VStack and HStack are containers that allow you to arrange your views in a vertical or horizontal stack, respectively. VStack stacks views vertically, one on top of the other, while HStack aligns them horizontally, side by side. First, launch Xcode and click on Create a new Xcode project. Select the app template under iOS and click Next. Now, give your project a name. Let's call it Stack Sample. Make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI and the language is Swift. Leave the other options as default and click Next. Choose a location to save your project and click Create. Xcode will now generate a basic SwiftUI project for you. Let's just start with VStack. Text, Hello World. Font title, foreground color blue, image system name star.fill, foreground color yellow, text field SwiftUI is amazing. Font subheadline, foreground color gray. In this example, the views are stacked vertically in the order we define. Let's run the application to see the output. Notice how VStack automatically aligns everything in the center and applies equal spacing. You can customize this with properties like alignment and spacing. Now let's move on to HStack. The concept is the same, but the views are arranged horizontally. HStack. Run the application to see the output. Here you can see fields are aligned horizontally. Change again it to VStack, run the application to see the output. Here you can see fields are aligned vertically. So that's the main difference between VStack and HStack. Combining VStack and HStack. Real power of SwiftUI. You can combine VStack and HStack to create intricate layouts. VStack, alignment, leading. HStack, text the name till bold. This creates a clean, structured layout that's easy to read and build upon. Let's run the application to see the output. Customizing the layout. SwiftUI also lets you customize your layout with modifiers, and that's how you use VStack and HStack in SwiftUI to create stunning layouts effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow developers, and subscribe to the channel for more SwiftUI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy coding.